Take a look at
2021
Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front all season, LED headlights, tires, rear all season. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.